Welcome to MinimalCoder, your no-nonsense AI learning zone. In episode 2 of our free AI course, I'm cracking open the black box behind ChatGPT. You'll learn how ChatGPT is trained, from data to reasoning, what makes GPT-3.5, GPT-4, and GPT-4o different, and most importantly, how you can access ChatGPT completely free. So grab your headphones and let's go deep into the brain of modern AI. Let's start with the name GPT. It stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Generative. It generates text like essays, emails, or code. Pre-trained. It learns from tons of data before you ever talk to it. Transformer. That's the neural network architecture, the backbone that understands context better than traditional AI models. You can think of it like training a super smart assistant. First, it reads everything: books, websites, Wikipedia, Reddit, and more. Then it learns patterns in how humans write, speak, and reason. It doesn't copy knowledge, it learns how we structure thoughts. OpenAI begins with unsupervised pre-training. The model is shown billions of lines of text not to memorize but to predict the next word in a sentence. Example: the cat sat on the model learns to say mat, not banana. Over time, it builds a mental model of how language works: grammar, style, reasoning, even jokes. Next comes human fine-tuning. Trainers provide example prompts and ideal answers. Think of this like teaching manners to a child genius. Here's how to answer politely, clearly, and helpfully. This makes ChatGPT not just smart, but useful. Then RLHF reinforcement learning from human feedback. Trainers rank multiple model replies to the same question. The model learns from that feedback using reinforcement learning like a reward system. It starts favoring better, more human-like answers over robotic or inaccurate ones. This three-step process makes ChatGPT not just a knowledge engine, but a helpful conversationalist. So, what's the difference between all these versions you've heard of? GPT-3.5- fast, available for free, and handles most tasks well, from writing blogs to coding help. GPT-4. More accurate, better at complex reasoning, and supports longer context. Available only for pro users on OpenAI. GPT-4o. 2024's newest. The O stands for Omni. It handles text, vision, and voice. It's faster, cheaper, and more intelligent than GPT-4 in many use cases. Think of it like GPT-4, evolved. If GPT 3.5 is a smart assistant, GPT-4o is a mind reader with ears and eyes. Let's talk access. You don't need to spend money to use powerful AI. Option 1, ChatGPT free plan. Go to chat.openai.com. You'll get GPT 3.5 for free. Just sign in and start chatting. Option 2, Microsoft Copilot, Bing. Visit bing.com or use the Edge browser. You get access to GPT-4 with internet search power free. Option 3, po.com by Quora. Offers free access to GPT-3.5, Claude, and others. Great for testing multiple models. Option 4, Hugging Chat and Gemini. Alternatives like Hugging Chat by Hugging Face and Google Gemini are also free. Not as polished, but good experimentation tools. Bonus tip: on mobile, install the ChatGPT app, smoother interface, better speech-to-text, and often new features before web. What can you actually do with ChatGPT? Students use it to explain tough subjects in simple terms. Professionals ask for help drafting emails, reports, or interview answers. Developers use it to debug code and write scripts in Python, JavaScript, and more. Creatives generate ideas for stories, YouTube scripts, thumbnails, and social posts. Entrepreneurs use it for startup pitch decks, ad copy, or market research. You don't need to be technical. Just talk to it like a friend, and be specific with your prompts. That's a wrap on episode 2. Now you understand how ChatGPT is trained and how to use it for free. In episode 3, I'll put theory into action. I'll show you 20+ real prompts and tricks to get better answers from ChatGPT, like a pro prompt engineer. If this video helped, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to MinimalCoder. This AI course is just getting started.